Replacing these spark plugs on a second generation Volvo XC60 or XC90 is so easy that it doesn't matter if you are drunk, wasted or completely high. I'm pretty sure anyone in any condition can replace them without any problems. By the way, this guide applies to basically all SPA platform Volvo cars equipped with a 4-cylinder petrol engine. First you have to remove the engine cover using a T45 Torx bit. If you don't have a T45, a T40 will work as well. After this, remove the rubber PCV hose and put it to the side. If you want to be very thorough, then you should also cover the whole of the PCV valve assembly with something to avoid dirt getting into it. As the next step, I decided to remove the electrical connector of the camshaft adjuster to gain more space around the first ignition coil. But this step is not necessary. Next, remove the electrical connector from the 4 ignition coils. Just push the small tab on the connector and pull it out. Removing them is easy, but of course it's good to be careful since you are dealing with tiny plastic parts and short wires. By the way, some of these petrol engines can also have a slightly different layout on top. So if your engine has the simpler layout as in this video, then you have to remove only 4 connectors. However, if your engine has the slightly more complex layout, then you have to remove these 6 connectors to access the ignition coils. After this, grab an 8mm socket and remove the bolts on the 4 ignition coils. Removing the ignition coils is also easy, just wiggle them a bit if they are stuck and pay attention to the wires above them.
The number you dialed is not in service.
Now you can already see the spark plugs in the valves. But before removing them, it's a good idea to use compressed air to blow out the dirt which gets stuck around the spark plugs. If you decide to follow this step, then it's of course important to cover the whole of the PCV valve assembly, as I already mentioned earlier. After the spark plug valves are clean, you can finally remove them using a 14mm spark plug socket and an extension. When putting back the spark plugs, keep in mind that they are positioned in the engine at a slight angle, not perfectly vertically. So align them with this angle and tighten them completely by hand before using a torque wrench for the final tightening. The torque spec for the spark plugs is 18 Nm. After this, put back the ignition coils. They can feel a bit loose in the spark plug valves at first, but don't worry, since tightening the mounting bolts will lock them snugly into position. The torque spec for these bolts is 10 Nm. Put back all the connectors which were disconnected and put back the rubber hose of the PCV. And last but not least, put back the engine cover. Last but not least, I also did some other videos about this car, so visit my channel and check them out.